Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're here, that means that you want to learn how to crochet, and congratulations on making your first step. If you can, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I release new tutorials and videos. Let's go ahead and start learning how to crochet. So if you check the link down below, you will see my video on how to make a slip knot. So in this video we are going to learn how to make the basic chain stitch, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that we have our slip knot on our hook, I like to leave a little bit of a space there. Don't pull it too tight, it will make it a little bit difficult here at the beginning. So to start our chain stitch, we want to grab our working yarn, and with our hook kind of facing us, we just want to hold it, and I like to take one of my fingers on my right hand and just hold my slip knot so that it doesn't move. Now you want to take your working yarn, the part that is connected to your ball, and take it from around the back side of your hook and pull it all the way to the front. And so now what we want to do is kind of point our hook down. This is going to be a trick. And I like to hold on with my left hand onto my chain stitch, just like this. So I'm kind of holding everything with my left hand. And so now with our hook pointed down, we want to pull the yarn that's on the front side through our hole, just like that. Okay, I can do that one more time for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put my slip stitch on my hook, taking the working yarn, wrapping it around the hook, just like that, switching hands. This is like how I like to hold it, however you feel comfortable, but this is how I like to hold everything when I'm making my chain stitches. Point your hook down and pull that string through that loop. Okay, so this right here is going to be our first chain stitch. Congratulations! Now we're going to do that again. So we are going to take our yarn, wrap it around the hook from the back to the front, switch hands, hold that as we pull through the loop that is on our hook. So now we have one chain and two chains. So continue to do that from the front to the back. Turn your hook down so that you can really catch the yarn that you just looped over and pull it through. Again, from the back to the front, pull your yarn or your hook facing down and pull it through the loop on your hook. So let's learn on counting these chains. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the way you know is there's going to be 2 bumps right here on either side, and that is going to be your chain stitch. So let's continue that a few more times, taking our yarn, wrapping it from the back to the front, pointing our hook down and pulling through. Wrap it around from the back to the front and pulling through. So what I want you guys to do is just practice doing that. Just practice making a bunch of chain stitches to really get that down. Once you feel that you have mastered the chain stitch, go ahead, click the link below, and you will learn how to make a single crochet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I hope this helped you guys start your journey into crochet.